Okay, all right. Uh, Stay on with me. More information pouring in. The Press Information Bureau working overdrive, and it is important to do so because the fake Pakistan propaganda needs to be dismantled. And there is an old and digitally altered video that is being circulated falsely as footage of a Pakistani attack on the Nagrota airbase. This video was originally posted on Instagram in October 2024. So, Pakistani social media platforms and perhaps even the political establishment and the military establishment are using an old imagery of 2024 and peddling a narrative that there was an explosion in Nagrota airbase and that was a target that Pakistan has hit with the help of its missiles, which is completely fake. And that information has been put out to dispel the untruths that Pakistan has been peddling. Colonel Virender Sahi, again, social media, misinformation, disinformation, it is not just Pakistani news channels and Pakistani social media platforms, but the Pakistani establishment itself. There is credible information, evidences and proofs that India has also provided in the Ministry of External Affairs press briefing. Pictures of the air bases that have been hit, that have been targeted, that have suffered consequences from India's side in Pakistan, but Pakistan continues to deny those. Pakistan says that there has been no damage done to the air bases or to the ammunition depots on the other side of the border in Pakistan. We have pictures to prove that Pakistan has mere words to spread this false narrative. Now, how do we tackle Pakistan in its overdrive of fake news propaganda?
You see, it's part of warfare. Psychological warfare is part of warfare. Media warfare of late has also started emerging as a force multiplier. So I see the social media warfare. As part of that, we got to play that game. Firstly, by clear-cut denials with proof, like very correctly done by the spokespersons of the Ministry of External Affairs and by the government release of true information in the press briefing. Similarly, our social media should take on, there should be rebuttals to this nonsense of showing 2024 terrorist attack on the Nagrota entry gate, far away from that in fact, and trying to show it as one of their victory signs today. It is nonsense. Pakistan needs to make fool of their own public. They have been doing it. They have been calling 1971 a victory with 93,000 people, soldiers with arms and weapons surrendering. They still prefer to call it victory. Pakistan became Bangladesh. Nation was cut into two half, but they have been teaching their madrasa students that they had a big victory. Likewise, at many other occasions, 65 they call a victory. Kargil, they were calling a victory. Didn't even pick up their dead bodies only because their victory, Bogi, will get defeated in their own country. So they do that, we got to defeat it. We were got to defeat it truthfully, firmly, and with the same means with which they are trying to fool the people.
Okay, all right. Stay on with me, sir. More information coming in. The Indian forces have foiled Pakistan's attempt of